So this was yesterday's part, Castigliano's first theorem, and that is, this is most important. Yesterday we have seen, we have to find deflection or slope, and accordingly we have to decide which formula we have to use. So this we have Castigliano's first theorem, and we have seen yesterday a problem in which we have considered a concentrated load at center, and then we have solved this problem and we got these values. For delta we have PL cube upon 48 EI, and theta we have PL square upon 60 EI. And after that we solved this one problem that is related with your two loads. So now we will go with UDL. Sorry, we will first go with concentrated load. Concentrated load, that is in cantilever. So take down, determine slope and deflection. Determine. So today we have 312. So determine slope and deflection for a cantilever beam. For a cantilever beam with concentrated load at free end. At free end. सगळ्यांना आज संध्याकाळपर्यंत सगळं अपलोड करायचं आहे. संध्याकाळी 6 वाजेपर्यंत अपलोड करा. क्वेश्चन्स टाकलेले आहेत ते युनिट 5 चे आणि युनिट 6 चे रात्री 12 पर्यंत यू कॅन अपलोड युनिट 6, आणि मी अकॉर्डिंगली मी त्याचे आन्सर्स पाठवतो. हे सगळे अपलोड झाले पाहिजे. ट्रस्ट सुद्धा दोन्ही अपलोड करायचे आहेत. आणि दुसरं महत्वाचं म्हणजे जे दिवाळीच्या आधी आणि दिवाळीनंतर पूर्ण प्रेझेंट होते त्यांनी त्यांचे सगळे उद्या चेक करून घ्यायचे. वही, त्याच्यानंतर जे 30 प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत ते, त्याच्यानंतर हे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स हे त्यांनी उद्या चेक करून घ्यायचं आहे. दिवाळी नंतरच्यांनी, आधी आणि नंतर नसलेल्यांनी दे हॅव टू कम ऑन ट्यूजडे. सो वी आर, दिस विल बी A, B and P. This will be concentrated load. You can consider P or you can consider W. That is your choice. So I consider P because my name starts from P. So now we are with concentrated load P, and already mentioned it is always better to consider moment from free end so that we need not require to find reaction at A. And here we have simple one, and this is variable load, so I need not require to apply any dummy load. If constant load is there, means the problem is like this, 50 kilonewton, and then they have asked slope and deflection at free end, then I have to apply dummy load. So P. So when we have to apply dummy load, if at the required point no variable load is present, here variable load is there, so I need not require to apply any dummy load, and I will directly go with the problem. So we have serial number, then we have region, then we have origin, then we have limit, पाथरकर आहे का? पाथरकर यश आजही असंच दिसतंय काम त्याच. लावून निवांत कुठेतरी मित्राकडे दिलाय का मोबाईल काय माहिती. So we have this will be, and we have only one region. So we will consider X over here. आणि आता म्हणेल सर ते माईक चालू होत नव्हतं, सर असं होत नव्हतं, तसं होत नव्हतं, कारण चालू. सो वी हॅव रिजन बी ए, ओरिजिन बी, लिमिट 0 to L. काय येईल? एम ची व्हॅल्यू येस आहे का? सगळे आहेत का?
Yes, sir.
काय एम ची व्हॅल्यू?
Yes, sir.
हा, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एम. मला वाटतं क्लास तुमचे लेक्चर्स वर्गातच कंडक्ट करायला लागतील परत 2-1. वजुलकर, मी कुणाला कॅमेरा चालू करायला लावेल, आपण रेडी राहायचं बरं का. येस, कुणालाच नाही येत मोमेंट काय येईल इथं.
P into L by 2.
आपण एक्स ला घेतो, एक्स ला घेतो, इथं मोमेंट घ्यायचं आपल्याला.
Like P into X minus L.
एमडी कुठे आहे? एमडी तर अप्लाय करायचंच नाही आपल्याला समेत.
P into L minus X
Yes, it is plus or minus. So it is minus
minus.
into x. तुम्ही जिथं मोमेंट घेताय तेवढाच पार्ट बाजूला घेत जा, म्हणजे कन्फ्युजन बिलकुल होत नाही आहे. आणि दिस इज एक्स एक्स. आपल्याला इथं मोमेंट घ्यायचं, एवढाच पार्ट घ्यायचा आहे. सेक्शनच्या राईटला वी हॅव क्लॉकवाइज मायनस, सो मायनस पी इंटू एक्स, and derivative will be minus x, and then we have delta at b equal to integration m into dabba m by dabba x dx upon ei. It is 0 to L. M is minus px, dabba m by dabba p is minus x into dx, and this will be p x cube upon 3 from 0 to L, and this will be PL cube upon 3 EI. बरोबर आहे का? चेक करा calculations and write it fast. PL cube upon 3 EI. Clear है? Now we have to find slope also. Now for slope, what we require? We require variable moment at that point, and therefore we have to now apply variable moment. So this P will be as it is. Load will not be removed. If dummy load is there, then that will be removed. And then we will apply this as M suffix D. Now again, this P is in downward direction. and we are taking derivative with P, value we got plus, means this displacement is in downward direction. In the direction of the load with which we are taking derivative. Now we have, this will be second, we have applied dummy load. It should be always with dotted line. And then we have to again prepare in the same fashion. So we have serial number, region, origin, limit, M. Now it will be dabba M by dabba MD. Now we have serial number 1, region BA, origin B, limit 0 to L. Sanga काय येईल बरं M ची value? What will be value of M? First, take moment. So we have to take X. So that part you can take outside. So I have, this will be P, and this will be dummy M, D, and this is X. Now tell me moment. Yes. Huh? It will be minus Px minus Md. And then take derivative with Md. So it will be minus 1. Now as Md is dummy load, after taking derivative, put its value is 0. And then we have theta at B is equal to integration 0 to L M into dabba M by dabba MD dx upon EI. And now substitute the values in this equation. We have 0 to L. Value of M is minus Px. Value of dabba M by dabba MD will be minus 1 dx upon EI. And if you will integrate it, you will have P x square by 2 from 0 to L. And you have theta B equal to PL square upon 2EI. So likewise, we have to solve the problem. So you write afterwards, I already mentioned, I will put this video on YouTube, and from there you have to write it. So now I will go with next problem. So write down, determine slope and deflection at free end for beam as shown in figure. And then we have problem throughout UDL. This is W, this is L, A, B. Now as we have to find slope and deflection at free end, and at free end, we do not have any load. We require concentrated load for deflection. And moment for slope. So we have deflection, and for this we have this as P. This is dummy load. So it's shown by dotted line. And then directly I will go to the table. आणि उद्या बहुतेक सुपरविजनला मीच असणार आहे तुम्हाला, त्यामुळे हा विचार करायचा नाही की आपण बघून लिहू शकू, परत तिथं आल्यावर हिरमोड नको व्हायला, त्याच्यामुळे आधीच सांगतोय. त्यामुळे अभ्यास करूनच या. So we have, this will be serial number 1, region BA, origin A, limit 0 to L M. Now we have to consider X over here and consider only that portion. So if I will consider only this portion, so this is dummy load. Sorry. So we have to draw always dummy load should be shown by dotted line. Should be very clear with this. Why with dotted line? Because we have to put its value 0. So this we are applying for our convenience. So this will be P and this will be W. This is X. So what will be moment at this? Then we have minus Px minus Wx square by 2. And then we have to take dabba M by dabba P. And we have this value minus X. And then we have delta at B equal to integration 0 to L. P we have to put 0 because it is dummy load. Then minus Wx square by 2 into minus X dx upon EI. And then we have this will be W by 2 we will take outside. X cube we have. So its integration x4 upon 4, 0 to L. And when we will put value L, so it comes delta B will be W, this is EI, WL square upon 8 EI. Now we have second part, and there we have to find a slope, and already mentioned for slope we require dummy moment. So for slope we require dummy moment. Basic problems me घेतोय, बाकी problems I will put on group. So W, and now we are interested with slope. So we have to apply M suffix D. This is L. And then directly we have to go with the table. लिंक बंद झाली तर मी दुसरी लिंक टाकेल. 10 मिनिटांनी ती चालू होते. 10 मिनिटात दुसरी हे चालू करू शकत नाही आपण झूमला. Therefore we have to wait for 10 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes. आणि जर कुणाला समजलं नसेल, you can tell me, we can arrange lectures from them offline also. So one मी सांगितले सोमवारपासून I am free. You can come anytime. I will be there. If I am not at my place, please call. Origin, limit.
सर
बोला.
सर ते WL रेज टू 4 येणार ना?
हा, येस. म्हणजे एकटी अपूर्वाच आज काल मैत्रीण सांगितलं होतं, आज अपूर्वा म्हणजे बाकी सगळे झोपलेले दिसत आहेत. WL4. So this will be WL4 upon 8 EI. So M and then dabba M by dabba MD. So we have, this will be serial number, not 1. 1 region will be BA, origin B, limit 0 to L. So we have to again take X from here. And then we have, this will be, consider that portion outside. So we have, this will be empty. and we have this as x, this is w. Then what will be value? Minus md minus wx square by 2. And by md will be minus 1. And then we have theta b equal to integration 0 to L m into m by md dx upon ei. And then if we will put values, then we have 0 to L. md now we will put 0. And then we have minus wl square by 2 into minus 1 dx upon ei. W by 2 if you will take common, then we have x cubed by 3 and ei will be there from 0 to L. And from this I will get theta b will be wl cube upon 6 ei. So likewise we have to go these problems related with your Castigliano's first theorem. Now just wait a minute. So slides are not available. So I will again share the screen. Just a minute. I will share again. दिसतंय का?
Yes, sir.
So now we have next one basic we will take for cantilever, and then we will take 1-2 other problems. So determine slope and deflection at free end for beam loaded and supported as shown in figure. So determine slope and deflection at free end. Deflection at free end for beam loaded and supported as shown in figure. 10 मिनिटात बंद होणार आहे. तुम्हाला दिसतोय मेसेज. So now we will go with beam, and here we have here we have moment M. Moment M. And for this we have to find slope and deflection at free end. So here we have M. And this is L, AB. Now what we have to go in this case? First, if I will go with deflection, then we have to apply dummy load over here. For deflection, we know for deflection we require concentrated variable load. If not available, we have to apply it. And directly we will go table. So we have serial number, serial number, त्यानंतर काय? Region, origin, limit, M. वही चेक करायला आल्यानंतर 1-2 प्रॉब्लेम देणार आहे. एक मॅकॉलिज आणि एक हे ते सॉल्व केल्यानंतरच वही चेकिंग होणार आहे. And then we have DABA M by DABA MP. So you have one region will be BA, origin B, limit 0 to L, M will be minus M minus P into X. आता इथे X घेतलंय आपण. आणि तेवढाच पार्ट जर मी बाजूला घेतला तो we have this will be P dummy load and this will be M, this will be X, and then we will get it as minus X. And then we have delta B is equal to integration 0 to L M da by M by da by X dx upon EI. As P is dummy load, so it becomes 0. So we have integration 0 to L minus M minus X dx upon EI. And now you integrate it, what we will get? Mx square by 2 EI, and that is from 0 to L. And that will gives us ml square upon 2EI. So likewise, we have to go actually for this moment. Now, if I will go for slope, now what will be in case of slope, you can see. So we have this is variable load, and therefore I need not require to apply any dummy load over here. इथं कोणताही dummy load आपल्याला लागणार नाही आहे, and we can directly prepare the table. And then in this table, we have serial number, region, origin, स्वतःचा रोल नंबर आणि नेम टाका मेसेज मध्ये. लिमिट जे लगेच टाकेल त्यांची अटेंडन्स लावणार आहे, जे टाकणार नाही त्यांची लागणार नाही आहे. डाबा एम्बा डाबा मी तर व्हेरिएबल आहे त्यामुळे आपल्याला डमी लागणार नाही आहे. And then we have serial number 1, region will be BA, origin B, limit 0 to L, M will be minus M, daba M by daba M will be minus M, no dummy thing required here. So delta B 0 to L minus M minus 1 dx upon EI. And this will be directly mx upon EI from 0 to L. And that will be ml upon EI, sorry, not delta B, this will be theta B, because moment is with respect to moment, sorry, derivative is with respect to moment, and we are in this fashion. The kunala doubt I काय चाहत. So these are the standard cases which are related with your cantilever beam. Now anyone have any doubt? मी सांगितलेलं मेसेज टाका, ज्यांनी लगेच मेसेज टाकला याचा अर्थ ते आहे. आता मी मीटिंग बंद करणार आहे, बाकीच्यांचा मेसेज येणार नाहीये. कोणी टाकायचं राहिलंय का? नाही. सो नाव यू कॅन लिव्ह. नाव आय विल स्टॉप द मीटिंग. म्हणजे आपल्याला नेमकं कळतंय मग कोणी केलं टाकलंय आणि कोण नाही.